Have you ever fancied a dab at being Iron Man? Well, now you can be, as a jet suit created by a British former commodities trader has gone on sale in a London departmental store with a cool price tag of £340,000, which roughly translates to 450,000 US dollars or 3 crore Indian rupees. Welcome back to QatNip, and come on, let's learn together. Made up of 5 miniature jet engines mounted on the pilot's arms and back, and also of electronics and 3D printed parts, the suit by Gravity Industries is reminiscent of the one worn by Robert Downey Jr. as Marvel's superhero Iron Man. Running on jet fuel or diesel, it has a speed record of 32 miles per hour, that's 51 kilometers per hour, and an altitude limit of 12,000 feet or 3,658 meters. Though inventor Richard Browning hovers only a few meters above the ground when using it for safety reasons. He has taken it on demonstrations around the world, and some time back took flight above a small closed-off street outside the luxury departmental store Selfridges, which is selling custom-made versions of the suit. This consumes about 4 liters a minute in the hover, so you can fly for 3 or 4 minutes quite easily, and there is another version for a cold day. When you get more thrust, it will fly for about 9 minutes. This is something the creator is looking to improve, but it's the inevitable consequence of flying without wings. The curious can see the suit at the store as well as test out a virtual reality version. Anyone who decides to buy a suit will also be offered training. If you watch this as an audience member, you probably get exposed to more warmth than the pilot, Browning said. It's actually surprisingly calm and not very violent. It's very passive and gentle when you're flying it, he added, along with adding a recommendation to try it in reality. That is, of course, if someone can afford that. So that's it for this video, and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.